Hey folks, just washed up the Super Bee. In today's episode of Inside Fasty's Garage, we're going to take the Super Bee for a little drive. We're going to demonstrate how the IGLA, the IGLA Antitheft pin code security system implements anti-carjacking mode with automatic shutoff. So ride along with us. Anti-theft pin code security. To start the vehicle, put it in run. Enter your PIN code. Wait for 2 flashes. Go ahead and start. We're going to take a little cruise and we're going to show you how anti-carjacking with automatic shutoff. So now that we're underway, we entered our PIN code and we were able to start the vehicle. We'll explain the anti-carjacking implementation a little bit. Anti-carjacking is a security measure that allows you to be protected in case someone comes up and carjacks you, tries to attempt to steal your vehicle. It is triggered by opening the door, the driver door, for 2 to 3 seconds, simulating, someone coming up, opening the door, dragging you out, and then hopping in and taking the car. When that happens, the IGLA security system knows that someone has taken the vehicle, and it will go into protection. That is indicated by the turn signal start to flash. The indicator, the IGLA indicator, depending on what vehicle you're using, starts to flash. And as time goes, if you do not put your PIN code in to reset it, then it'll increase in speed. Finally, it'll go into protection mode and shut the vehicle off and secure the vehicle. Then the vehicle will not be able. So we're going to go to a safe location here, and we're going to demonstrate how that works. So we're going to pull over here. Nice to a stop. Open the door up for a few seconds, simulating carjack. We just been carjacked. And once the IGLA triggers anti-carjack mode, it'll start to indicate as such. You'll see the indicators flash, and as time goes, they'll increase in speed, indicating getting closer to shutdown. When it goes to shut down, you'll get a message saying vehicle not in park, vehicle not in park, and then the vehicle shuts off. It wants you to stop, and as soon as the vehicle stops, it puts it in park. Return the vehicle to park. The vehicle is now disabled. No start. All right. It's protected. No start. Enter the PIN code. So that's anti-carjack mode. Pretty effective, pretty simple, pretty effective. If you're in an area or you feel you're in a need for this feature, we can definitely install, enable it with our IGLA PIN code security system features. So give us a call, 972-332-0100. Have a great day.